Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fun Kalike with Professor Namya. In today's video, I'm giving you a quick and clear overview of the VTU's parallel computing subject for 7th semester computer science and engineering students. Coming on to the objectives of the course, this is a 4 credit integrated course with both theory and practical components. It covers important parallel programming models like MPI programming, OpenMP programming, and CUDA. You'll also learn how to make your programs run faster by using multiple processors or GPU threads. It's not just about coding, it's about thinking parallelly. Now I'll explain what you'll be learning throughout the course. This course is divided into 5 modules. First, we cover the basics like what is parallel computing, why we need parallel computing, what are the types of parallel computing available like SIMD, MIMD, and different kinds of memory models in the first module. Then we move on to GPU programming, performance optimization, and the famous Amdahl's law. Next, in the third module, you will dive into MPI, a library for writing distributed memory programs. After that, in the fourth module, we explore OpenMP programming, great for shared memory multithreading. Finally, in the fifth module, you will be learning CUDA programming and to run code on NVIDIA's GPUs. Lab is an important part of this course as it is IPCC subject. You'll write programs for sorting, prime number calculation, Fibonacci series, and many more using OpenMP and MPI programming. You'll also learn about things like thread scheduling, deadlocks, and broadcasting data, all while tracking performance improvements, course outcomes, or why this subject is important. This subject sets a strong base for careers in high performance computing, AI, data science, and even in research. If you understand this subject very well, you will be future ready for multi core and GPU based development. Now, the assessment for the course. This course is evaluated through both continuous internal evaluation and semester end exams, each carrying 50 marks. CIE includes your internal tests and lab work. Make sure to do well in both theory and lab because this course is integrated through IPCC. The minimum passing marks are 20 out of 50 in CIE, 18 out of 50 in SEE. That's a wrap on the parallel computing course overview. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Fun Kalike with Professor Namya. Got any questions? Please drop them in the comment section. I'd love to help you all. Until next time, keep learning and keep coding. See you all. Bye bye.